Hi, this is Anoush with Mercedes-Benz of Encino, and welcome to our show. Today we're going to be talking about our new A-Class by Mercedes-Benz. It set another benchmark for the market. Watch it. All right, ready to go. Oh, look at here, the light comes in, it's giving you a heads up. And let's start the car. Oh, look at, as you can see, this is all digital here and gives me a heads up for my seat belt that I'll put on soon. And then one of the things that we can do here is this is all digital and you can change the mode on these things. And then you can go ahead from your radio or music or whatnot, you can set it up on the screen, or better yet, now they have a touch screen. You can see you got the phone, navigation, radio, and you can just go ahead to go music or whatever you need. And let's say, for example, we go navigation. And one of the good things about it is now you can go ahead and focus in and out. And you can go ahead and use the steering wheel if you wish. But on the other hand, if you want to do this, like your phone, you can do that also. Now, one of the things about this vehicle is, as far as the technology, it already has the AI that helps you while you're driving. So let's give it a try. Hi, Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Change the interior color to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And you can see now it has changed to red. So based on the mood that you have, you can go ahead and do that. If you have a Fitbit, it also sets to your mood, and it can also change the channels and change the music based on what you like. So you can see you have a little iPad or your little pad here that you can go ahead change the modes here, and then you can go to original screen or you can do return. It's very easy to maneuver and work with it here. So all your access is here. You have different ways to access to your screen and do all the functions via your voice. Hi, Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Close the sunroof.
I'm closing the roller sun blind on the sliding sunroof.
As easy as that. Hi, Mercedes.
What do you want to do?
Find me a French restaurant.
What would you like to do next?
Get me there.
The route is being calculated.
Super nourriture. Bon appétit. Merci beaucoup. Let's go.
Hey, Mercedes.
Please speak now.
Take me to Merino Beach.
Route guidance is starting.
Hey Mercedes, send a message to Mark.
Say the text, please.
Hey Mark, do you want to join me for a run at the beach?
Do you want to send the message or correct it?
Send it.
Hey Mark, do you want to join me for a run at the beach?
Hey Mercedes, tell Laura I'll be there in a few minutes.
This new A-Class has the latest technology. It has your personal assistant in the vehicle to change the temperature, color, make phone calls, and even send text. Why don't you stop by the dealership and come for test drive? This beautiful car is a new benchmark from Mercedes-Benz with the newest technology. I'm late for my French restaurant, so why don't you stay tuned and I'll see you there. This car has 188 horsepower. I can't believe it.